Are you moving to Nashville but don't want to be in the city? Today we're gonna see what 1.725 million can get you in a suburb of Nashville. We're in the northwest corner of Williamson County. Horseshoe Bend is the development. It is a beautiful development that has walking trails, a swimming pool, a clubhouse, tennis courts, pickleball. You will not be disappointed with this neighborhood. You're also very close to Edwin Warner Park, which is one of the best parks that we have here in Middle Tennessee. I'm Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant, and I want to show you a beautiful home that's for sale right now in Nashville. So let's check it out. So like I said, we are in the northwest corner of Williamson County, very close to Nashville, very close to Brentwood and Franklin as well. So you're in a very good location here, and you feel like you're way out in the suburbs here. It's very peaceful, very quiet. It's windy today, so hopefully you can hear me in my car here before we go check this home out. But this is a beautiful area. This is what I love about Middle Tennessee, is that you just right out of Nashville you have these beautiful developments. And this is an older one. This home was actually built in 1996, but there's been a lot of renovations and things that they've done to this house that we'll talk about. But just wanted to give you an idea of this neighborhood first and this part of town. It's a very desirable area in Middle Tennessee. You definitely, if this is your price range, if you're in that 1.5 million to 2 million price range, you definitely want to check this area out, Horseshoe Bend. Yeah, so we'll go check. We'll check out the community pool and the clubhouse, all that stuff. All right, so we're about to go check this house out. This home is 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, almost 6,000 square feet, 5,970 square feet. It's a huge house. You have a walkout basement on the bottom floor. So the bottom floor has 1 full bedroom bath, a cool area. It could be a man or woman cave, whatever you want that to be. And then you also have a walkout to the backyard, fire pit in the backyard. This one is on a 1/2 acre and just a beautiful home. You have, like I said, it was built in 1996, but they did a huge renovation in 2017. On this one, they're actually about to replace the roof. So you'll have a brand new roof. HVACs were replaced in 2007, one in 17 and one in 18. So lots of work has been done to this home. Yeah, but this is what you can get in that $1.7 million range. I hope you enjoy this house. I hope you enjoy the home tour, and let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this too much for a house like this? Is it perfect for a house like this? Let me know in the comments what you think about this home. quiet day today at the community clubhouse. Like I said, we have tennis courts behind me. There's a ton of them. You got four tennis courts. The clubhouse is right over there. And so there's the swimming pool behind it. All the clubhouse for events. And you also, in the back here, you have a playground, a soccer goal, lots of common area in the space. So the neighborhood doesn't just come, I mean, you don't just get the house for that 1.725. You also get this area, get to meet the neighbors. And then there's tons of hiking trails. And you're also very close to Edwin Warner Park, like I said. So you have just probably hundreds of miles, probably not hundreds of miles, I just made that up. You got tons and tons of miles of walking trails at Edwin Warner Park, which is just a beautiful park. So that's what you get over here at these are the amenities that you get as part of this neighborhood. I hope you like the tour of this home. And again, as much as I love shooting real estate videos, I love even more helping people find their next home, especially coming from out of state here to Middle Tennessee. And you know, I'm out looking at properties almost every single day, looking for unique homes, looking for homes that I would want to live in neighborhoods I would want to live in. And so I hope this helps you. If you need help with your home search, please reach out. You know, we get calls, texts, phone, you know, emails every single day, and we love it. So if you want help finding your next home, we would absolutely love to help you. So schedule a Zoom call with me if you'd like. Yeah, I'll see you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.